Hello guys, this is Toolbox Tutorials and today I'm gonna show you how to do text after effect. It's really simple and easy. If you want this looking text in your pictures or your videos, just follow me. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. It's really easy. So let's begin. First of all, we're gonna go to the left corner, press text and add the text you want to write it. So we're gonna use, of course, Toolbox. Let's select some fonts for it. Go to the top, press here, select from a lot of fonts. I like this one. We're gonna expand the text by dragging it to by the corner, so it seems bigger. Now we're gonna go to position, arrange, and middle. So now it's centered. Now we're gonna copy this text by pressing Ctrl C and pressing Ctrl V. So as you see, we have double the picture of a text. Now the first text, we're gonna do effect. We're gonna add some hello to it. So now it's hello. Now the tricky part, we're gonna go to elements and we're gonna select some elements. We're gonna select this ink. We can choose from a lot of inks, some smokes, and a lot of videos. We're gonna use this one, and we're gonna remove the background by going to the top, pressing remove background, and we're gonna stretch it to the page so it fills the page. All right, now we're gonna copy this one too, but this one we're gonna flip it to other side. Now this one we're gonna move it to the middle, and this one also to the middle. All right, here in the middle, like this, and like this. Okay, now it's centered, as you can see. And what we're gonna do, we go to positions here in the top corner, go layers, and move smoke in between the letters. So we're gonna go to playback, speed up the video, and also speed up this video. So now we have two speed up videos, and you can see it looks like this. Looks really cool and fun. Also, you can implement pictures in the background. It's gonna show really cool stuff, like you can implement this forest and you can set it out as a background, and now when you play from the beginning, it looks like this. Really cool, really fun way to use it. You use your imagination, modify it, and I promise you're gonna go viral and your video is gonna look cool. So the first part is over, so the next part is more fun. So I like to do it on some of my videos, some of my pictures. So what I'm doing, I'm going to elements and I'm just pressing letters. So let's do toolbox. I'm just pressing T. Yes, and I use frames. So let's see all the letters. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do O. Let's do L. All right, and let's do box. All right, so I like to do, I select them all, I group them, and I resize it all together so it's the same size letters. So after that you're done, you just ungroup it and arrange your letters as you like. You can do any text you like. As you can see, you have all the letters you need to make your own text animated. So let's do it. Let's arrange the letters. And now what we are going to do, we're gonna select some smoke effects. We go here to videos and let's select some smoke effects. Okay, let's do no. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Maybe this one. Some similar smoke effects. You can use a lot of videos, not necessarily for the smoke effect. You can use your own video, you can arrange it. If you watch my previous videos how to implement the picture in the letters, you can also apply same method to the video. You can put your video like this here, put it in the back, and the letter is gonna move like this. If you press double it, you can rearrange it same size like this, and it's gonna be moving at same pace as the first picture. So if you press play, as you can see, all the pictures are moving in the same pace. So thank you for the watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.